Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make an easy and effective fat melter drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps to treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fights bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effect, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. Then to this add 1 star anise. It is rich in nutrients, reduces symptoms of depression, protects against stomach ulcer, prevents the growth of fungus and bacteria, balances blood sugar levels and reduces inflammation. Then add 2 cloves. Cloves also increase metabolism, manage blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. Let this rest for 2 minutes. The flavors and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. After 2 minutes, open and check. The ingredients are well soaked, so strain and add it to the same mug. Finally, to this add a teaspoon of lemon. Lemon improves digestion and reduces water retention. Now a healthy weight loss drink is ready. You can consume this drink as such, or you can also include honey to it. It's totally optional. Give it a good mix and a fat melter drink is ready to consume. Drink this with straw to avoid sensitivity and tooth enamel issues. Have this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and be on a balanced diet throughout the day, and you will observe a reduction in body weight in just few days. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat melter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Cumin seeds has a lot of health benefits. It's an excellent source of antioxidants known to boost the immune system and prevent conditions like cancer, heart disease and diabetics. It controls blood sugar levels, lowers cholesterol and fights against bacteria and parasites. It can also treat diarrhea and very helpful for weight loss and improves your digestion. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this add a piece of ginger. Let this again boil for 2 minutes. Ginger is again a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this cumin ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger and the cumin has come together very well. Now off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice and let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the cumin ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this cumin ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.